Her name was Henrietta Lacks, but the world knows her cells as HeLa. A poor southern tobacco farmer, Henrietta lived a humble life, working the same land as her enslaved ancestors. Yet without her knowledge, her cells became one of the most important tools in modern medicine. The first immortal human cells grown in culture, they are still alive today, more than 60 years after her death. If you could weigh all HeLa cells ever grown, they would total over 50 million metric tons, equivalent to 100 Empire State Buildings. HeLa cells played a crucial role in developing the polio vaccine, advancing cancer research, studying viruses, exploring the effects of the atom bomb, and paving the way for breakthroughs like in vitro fertilization, cloning, and gene mapping. They have been bought, sold, and studied by the billions tool on. And yet Henrietta Lacks herself remains largely unknown, buried in an unmarked grave. In the immortal life of Henrietta Lacks, Rebecca Skloot takes you on a remarkable journey. From the segregated wards of Johns Hopkins Hospital in the 1950s to state-of-the-art laboratories storing HeLa cells around the world. From Henrietta's small hometown of Clover, Virginia, with its deep-rooted history of slavery, faith healing, and voodoo, to East Baltimore today, where her descendants continue to live and grapple with her legacy. Henrietta's family did not discover her immortality until more than 20 years after her death, when researchers began studying her husband and children without their consent. While HeLa cells fueled a multi-million-dollar medical industry, the Lacks family saw none of the profits. Through the story of Henrietta and her descendants, Skloot uncovers a powerful intersection of science, ethics, and civil rights, the human cost of discovery, and the struggle for recognition and justice. Over more than a decade, Skloot became deeply involved in the lives of the Lacks family, especially Henrietta's daughter Deborah, whose heartbreak and questions drive the narrative. Did scientists clone her mother? Did her mother suffer as her cells were experimented on, infected with viruses, and even sent into space? What became of her sister Elsie, who died young in a mental institution? And why, if her mother contributed so much to medicine, could the family not afford basic health care? Intimate, eye-opening, and impossible to put down, the immortal life of Henrietta Lacks is a story of scientific discovery, ethical dilemmas, and the profound human impact behind medical breakthrough. Listen to the full audiobook now to uncover Henrietta Lacks' extraordinary story and witness how one woman's cells changed the world forever. Full audiobook link in description.